Uh-oh. We got something in the mail. I think it's from Princess.
Awesome.
We have our first cruise on Princess coming up with a comp suite from the casino. And what is this, my dear?
I love this. It says,
Oh, ooh, be like Star Trek. Vacations are priceless. Thank you for spending yours with us. So, tell people about these. What do they do? God, they're really nice.
They're basically your
The quality.
everything, like your room key, your boarding pass, like everything. So we just show up and we get in what's called the green line because we're already set to go. And I paid $5 each extra to get the design on them.
Oh, because of the zebra.
Normally you just get like
They're
a pencil
almost.
design.
Let me get this out of here. They're almost like a piece of jewelry. I mean, really.
Well, and they sell like jewelry that you can use them with.
Oh, like. Oh, so you. Okay, let's see here now. Okay.
So I think there's a lanyard inside the box too.
So within this.
So you can put it on a wrist, watch band.
Oh, and it's got your name on it.
Yes.
I don't know if we can see that on camera. Oh. And then the date of the cruise.
But they sell like watch bands.
Oh, and it tells you what class you're on, the medallion class, right?
Well, I think it's all medallion class.
Oh, because they're medallions.
Yeah.
And then you said there should be a lanyard
Yeah.
in here.
It's,
Oh, there it is. Wow. How much are these?
it was $2
You gotta be kidding me.
total.
If you would've-
it's included in the price of your cruise.
Oh.
And I paid $5 each extra just to get the design on
What's the total cost to have this medallion?
it. $5.
And they'll mail it to you and all this packaging and everything.
Yes.
Wow.
And, well, I think it's free mailing if you. I can't remember if it's either because we're in a suite or because we bought the plus package, but some way you get the free shipping.
All right, so what magic powers does this device give somebody?
It does everything. As I know, like you can food or drinks to where you're at. It opens your room door without you having to do anything as you approach. It's in the casino to do if you wanted to get money off your account.
So everything your card does, this can do plus a little bit more. Like you can have,
Basically, open your door without doing it. Your
but
door
you can
unlocks
do
as
other
you're
stuff like
approaching it.
order food or drinks.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Order.
How's
yeah.
that go?
Yeah. Order.
It'll just find you.
Yeah.
That's cool. Neato. Ha. Shout out Ludacris. Well, those are cool.
Well, how many times are you going to drop it?
And
You try to see if it's.
yeah, I think it's waterproof too. Let me go put it in the sink.
It is waterproof.
Of course it is.
You can swim.